Okay, welcome to our random podcast. I don't know what this is. I don't think anybody knows what this is, but that's okay. For our topics today, we're going to be doing a Mount Rushmore. So, our topics Thanksgiving Day food, video games, or movie villains. How are you thinking today?
Video games. Video games.
I'm also kind of leaning towards that. What about you?
Sure. Why not?
Video games? Okay. Alright, who wants to start?
You start. You have the cards.
Alright, I'm going to start off a strong contender. Minecraft. Alright, who goes next?
All right. Solid choice. Solid choice.
I'm more of a sports game guy, so I'm gonna
Boring.
go with Madden as my.
That's
first
terrible.
Disgrace.
Terrible.
We don't. JB, you're a disgrace to humanity.
Not maybe a disgrace to humanity, but to your parents, yes.
Pick. Oh, well,
You know what? Minecraft's pretty up there. I gotta go with a solid pick. Terraria.
Ooh, okay, yeah, that is a good
Ooh.
one. Yeah. You can't really go wrong with Terraria. I love Terraria, bro.
And it's not 2D Minecraft.
Yeah, I mean, I've been trying to play that game for like 3 years now. I've never completed it because I've just never been bothered to.
I play it with lots of mods.
Fun. What mods do you use?
Mainly Calamity.
Calamity.
You know what? Dyslexia. You go.
Okay, cool. For next video game. Ooh. Okay, I have to think on this one a bit because I was thinking like Minecraft, yeah. But what do you go after that? That's true. You don't go past that bar. You just don't. So I'ma go Halo.
classic.
Don't go at me. Give me your opinion. Come on.
I prefer the older Halo than more recent.
Yeah, too, because I've been looking at some of the newer Halo games. They're just not up to par to what the older stuff was. Like, if you play the, old Halo, man, I miss the, 06. What was that game called? The one where you have your own little custom Spartan. That was fun. Okay, you go.
My pick next. I'm gonna go with GTA 5 for my second pick.
You were thinking of give it another GTA?
Eh, maybe in like 2060, but who knows?
Yeah.
GTA 5's alright. I mean, I put lots of time into it. It was fun when I first got it, but now I just despise it.
Yeah, I guess you do kind of get. Well, that's with all games, though. You do get burnt out.
Yeah, because I
a
mean, like,
lot.
it's a sandbox, but you can't really.
It's not a
Well,
sandbox.
technically sandbox if you go on to the online version, but.
Bro, that ain't a sandbox. That's warfare.
I mean, yeah, fair enough. I just like describing it as such because you can just do whatever.
For a, I just tried it, but, what is it? Solid second pick? Hollow Knight's pretty good.
Hollow
Yeah.
Knight. Okay. Can you dodge the belt attacks that are coming your way?
I've yet to get there. I totally have not purchased the game like a couple days ago, and I've already put like 8 hours into it.
Okay. Let's see here. What's gonna be the next pick here?
I'm still trying to grind that game out.
Yeah. What section are you on?
I just figured out you're able to get more hearts after I got to the deep nest.
Congratulations. Okay, so Minecraft Halo. What else do we want to go with? I'm gonna go Puyo Puyo Tetris.
What?
You don't know what Puyo Puyo Tetris is?
Never. I've heard of Tetris.
You have not heard of Puyo Puyo
I've heard of
Tetris.
Tetris Royale. Where
Okay, this
100
game was
where
released
100 Tetris
in the
players.
80s. Puyo Puyo in Japan. Okay, it's basically Tetris of extra steps. So they merged the two. It's made by the same company who made Tetris, by the way. They merged the two, and now you have a game that's hell. They have anime boys in it. They have anime girls in it. It makes me want to do really bad things.
Yeah.
And if you
Yeah.
don't know what Puyo Puyo Tetris is, it makes me want to do bad things to you too. Do you know what Puyo Puyo Tetris is?
I have no idea what that
You don't know
is.
what Puyo Puyo
Never
Tetris
heard
is.
of it.
Unbelievable. Okay, whatever. Your turn.
Alright, my number 3 is between Smash or Mario Kart. I'm gonna have to go Smash with my number 3.
I cannot
Yeah.
agree with you.
Smash. I mean, it's fun, but like, okay, which game is Smash? Which one?
Which one?
Brawl or?
Probably Brawl, yeah.
I've only
Brawl.
played Brawl.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it's like the latest one, isn't it? So.
No.
No?
Smash Ultimate. Was it?
Ultimate, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I keep on messing them around in my head, whatever.
Yeah, Brawl's the Wii.
Brawl. The Wii Brawl. Oh my god. Okay, now I know what you're talking about. Yes.
Not
I
gonna lie,
loved.
didn't enjoy it because I
I-
kept getting my butt kicked.
Fair enough. I mean, that's kind of the point of the game. That's why it's called Brawl. You brawl. I don't know what you're expecting. Okay. Anyways.
I'm
I
expecting to
loved-
win at least once.
No.
But no.
No.
I can't.
You don't. It's like I love playing low poly Pikachu. That was my main until I discovered what's his teeth, Yoshi, and then I balled. He ballin'.
Next pick, Barrett.
Third pick. I can never go wrong with Black Ops 2.
No,
Black
you
Ops
can't.
2. Okay, did you
You
ever play
can't.
zombies though?
Yes,
I love zombies.
I did.
Oh my god.
I can never go wrong with it. It's a solid childhood classic.
Yeah, it is though. Okay, which one was your favorite character though when you played the campaign?
I feel like I need to re-get that game. Need to buy it.
Yeah,
I
it's
need,
kind of
I
out
need
there.
to get it again.
Yeah. My favorite was like the German doctor guy. He was funny.
Look, I do the classic for any new COD game I get. I always put it on the hardest difficulty whenever I play the campaign,
Yeah, it's fun.
and then I suffer. the
Okay, so I
consequences.
believe we have our free picks now. Okay. 4? We need 4?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll go then.
Use your-
RimWorld.
Use your noggin a little bit.
I don't want to. Sometimes I just want to be brain dead. Why
Get
don't
some
you
wrinkles
understand?
there, man.
I don't want them. They're ugly.
Get some wrinkles in there.
Dude, okay, have you ever seen a smooth brain? That's what you want in life, man. Like I don't know what you're on me for.
Smooth brain. Huh.
But RimWorld. Do you not know what RimWorld is?
I know what it is.
You know what it
I've
is.
never played it.
You need to. It's amazing. You get to commit war crimes.
Oh, so kind of like GTA.
I mean, yeah, but you can do it on like a global scale.
Can't you do that on
What?
GTA?
You can do that to
Why don't you
Los
just Why don't you just
Angeles.
get a
You
grand
cannot
battle
do it
strategy game?
to a world.
Like I don't know, Europa Universal's 4.
It's not your turn. It's not your turn.
I'm just adding a comment because
You're just adding a comment.
we've been here for like probably like not even 10 minutes and we're
We've
almost
probably
done.
not been here for 10 minutes. Filling time. I've never heard of her.
Yeah.
What?
What?
Huh?
What? Okay, your turn.
Number 4, classic Mario Kart.
Mario Kart. Of
Yeah.
course. Dude.
Mid. Mid at best.
Like, dude, I freaking suck at Mario Kart. I'm not.
Rainbow
I just
Road
can't
is
do
where
it.
it's at, man. That is where it's at.
It's like I know how to snipe people. I do not know how to drive a car. I don't know
Sorry.
if that says something about me or about the woman. I
can
I can
Oh,
drive a
wait.
car, fly, and
I
really
could never
bike.
go to Mario Kart for racing. I could
Not
never.
in Mario Kart. Just can't in Mario Kart.
Y'all are missing out on
Look,
Rainbow
I'll-
Road.
like-
Rainbow Road is
Nah, I would rather go with like NASCAR, Formula 1, Forza.
makes sense.
I
All
mean-
those top it. And on top of that, I don't have any Nintendo device I can actually.
Haha,
Right.
nerd. I mean, well, yes, emulators. I love emulators so much.
It's good to get out of the garage every once in a while, though. Like when
You're
you
in the garage.
when you're bored, you don't have anything else to do. Just get out the Wii, you know.
From your
Play some Mario
garage.
Kart.
Your garage.
From your garage. Why do you have your Wii in your garage? Do you know how
That's
like
where the table saw lives, buddy.
Because nobody uses it.
What are you sitting in the dust piles?
it's like you know how like the weather in there isn't that great. It's gonna have like erosion. There's gonna be mice
Yeah,
in
it'll
it.
be
There's gonna be
fine.
mice in your Wii.
It adds flavor.
It adds flavor. Are you eating your Wii?
It's a 2000s
No
game
comment.
console.
No
it'll be
comment.
fine.
Okay, I know what you're doing. I know what you're doing.
All right. I think for my fourth pick, let's see. I've done. Bop, bop, bop. Hard choices. Hard choices.
Times of the essence or not, because we have time to fill.
We have 5, 10, 15, 20, around like 25 minutes.
Yeah.
But hard pick because I have lots of favorite games, but they're not part of like the mainstream category.
Yeah, I mean that's kind of like
That's
Puyo
true.
Puyo Tetris. I mean I love that game, but you don't know it, and it makes me sad.
And like winning too. Because I'm trying to think of something. What's something I've really enjoyed that's also mainstream? Well, not mainstream, but more commonly known.
Yeah, I mean like Candy Crush. Like I don't know why I choose Candy Crush, but it's there.
I forgot that
Yeah.
existed.
You should pick a mobile game, totally right now. You're cheating. You're cheating. He's showing him stuff. You can't be doing that.
Why are you pointing out there for nothing? I don't see anything.
He's sending an image.
Like, yeah, I don't see anything. Like, look, the National Security Threat War Thunder, solid game. I got like over
Hooray.
700 hours in it.
You're cheating. I know what you're doing. I know where you live.
Look,
Oh.
I was going to say like Hearts of Iron 4. Glorious World War II battle strategy game. Over 1,000 hours.
You have 4,000 hours in that
Over
game.
1,000.
1,000. That's not much better.
But War Thunder, though, solid. Swedish tech tree. Mm.
All right. What are your thoughts on the leaks that they're making in the name of War Thunder?
The leaks. Add
Why are
some
you
spice
nodding
to
like
it.
that?
It adds some spice.
Add some spice.
Yeah, there's only been like,
Who needs national security anyway? Just
yeah.
a load of baloney.
What's that?
I don't like it.
I mean,
It smells bad.
only like glorious documents. Like, I don't know. Lots of the good ones have been.
Yeah.
only the good ones.
I love looking at obscure forum sites to look at the leaked files for War Thunder.
Yeah. Actually, they're military government files.
Military government. You get what I mean. You get what I mean. You get
Yeah.
what I mean. You get what I mean. Okay. Anyways,
I
so
don't
we
get
got,
you.
We got all.
Hey.
We got all four.
All I can say is at least none of us picked Fortnite.
Fortnite Battle Pass
We-
makes you want to do bad things.
We still have some dignity left in us. Just
Still
a little.
some dignity.
Just a
Whoever,
little smidge.
if somebody chose Fortnite, you would not be my friend anymore.
All right.
We would not associate.
Especially in a top 4.
Jahorgany.
All right. So
How much time have we actually been here?
365 seconds.
Yo, we got time for a fifth pick. We still have time left.
Okay.
for a fifth pick, you want me to choose a fifth game? You want me to choose a fifth game?
Or it could
okay.
be or it could be an honorable mention at the end if we want to.
Okay.
I guess we'll just retally.
Clash of Clans honorable mention.
You didn't even. Okay, you didn't let me go. I
Annabelle,
can't
what were
believe
you
it.
for?
Okay, so I had Minecraft. I had Puyo Puyo Tetris. What else did I have? I had I'm already forgetting stuff.
One of the Halos.
Halo. Yes, Halo. So that was my second pick. Third one was Puyo Puyo, and then my fourth one was
Rimworld.
Rimworld.
And then mine was Madden.
Which one?
Madden 23 or 08 were pretty good. So, Madden, GTA, Smash Brawl, and Mario Kart were my top 4.
Which exact one? Look, you can't just say an entire franchise. This is video game, not franchise.
The original Mario Kart. Not like 64.
The one from 1990.
Look at all them pixels.
And then we got Terraria, we got War Thunder, we got Black Ops 2, and then we got Hollow Knight.
Hollow Knight. Okay. So you're asking me to remember things with my short memory.
Felt that.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, what do you guys think? Like, whose collection of games?
Whose collection?
I
I personally think I win because I'm confident in
I
myself
personally,
and my
I
ability.
personally got to think JB's at the bottom of the list.
JB,
See,
I'm
it's
sorry.
my preference.
Your
It's my
preferences
preference.
are kind of mid.
They kind of do be.
My preferences are high tier.
If I had to go vote, I gotta vote for me.
Yeah.
Terrible.
Yeah.
Terrible. Who even
I
plays
got
War Thunder these
Barrett.
days? No one.
I got Barrett. That's mine.
Unbelievable. Okay, so you win then.
Yeah.
Woo!
Congratulations. You
Woo!
won.
I win this!
Okay, but for an honorable mention though, so we have to do honorable mentions. That's just the thing we have to do. God, what was I gonna say?
Gotta
I
go
don't
with one of
remember.
the mobile games, you know.
Mobile games.
Yeah.
All right, we don't got time for this anymore.
We
Pokemon
don't got
Go.
time.
We don't got time for
Pokemon
these
Go. Okay.
shenanigans. We gotta wrap this
Honorable mention.
barbecue up. We don't care. now.
Pokemon Go.
We don't care now.
Wow.
We don't care
Papa's
about these honorable
Pizzeria.
mentions. We gotta wrap up this barbecue party.
Okay, fine. No more barbecue parties. I'm taking the hog home.
I'm out of here.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye.